My name is John Watson. I'm retired. I had learned something about therapy with singing bowls on Facebook, and I was intrigued. I do meditation, and I thought this certainly could enhance it. I spoke to someone else who had experienced this, Robin Farrar, and we had a conversation, and she explained some of it to me. I contacted Satya and told him I was interested, and he's taken me on as a student. And I came here with certain expectations and hopes. Those expectations and hopes were far exceeded, more than what I expected. Uh, I've been shown that these bowls are very effective, and immediately I have felt a difference in myself, and I have seen things that I never would have understood unless I experienced this. All I can say is thank you, Satya. And if you're at all interested, you should make contact and investigate and see just what this is like. I'm sure you will be pleasantly surprised.